Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GHSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 30 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 30, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, is just to watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Now, what about levels of resistance moving forward? As far as levels of resistance are concerned, two main levels. The first area is this one that made itself quite apparent throughout the course of the pretty much late morning and then mid-afternoon. You can see several times the price try to get up through that 32.5-cent mark. Can never quite do it. So I'm not saying the price can never get back above that level. The point here is that it's become very apparent that, the price is going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to break up through that level. And if it can, then the next key level is just simply where the party stopped today during that opening 30 minutes, and that was up there at 35. But as of right now, talking about 35 cents or putting any focus on that, way too premature, because first the price just needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above 32.5 cents. So overall though, nice movement today, great volume. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.